Hey guys, this is unboxing more blind walkers because my friend forgot to give it to me early, so we couldn't.
Okay, guys, but listen, it's fine. You know what? Yeah.
We forgot to open it.
Okay,
on
tell
my
them
friend
which one you want. Tell them which one
Okay,
you
so
want.
it's like keycaps. I want any except this one. Isn't that the one? No, I like this one. I just don't really want that one.
Yeah.
Were you kind of mad when you got that one?
No,
She got the same.
because it's kind of a rare one.
Is it in a blind box?
Yeah, it's in. Wait, can I remove the card before you?
She has one.
Okay, open it.
Is it bad?
No. You got Harry!
I
I told you!
This is so cool. What the heck?
It's like you're
Look.
pressing Harry's face down. Harry.
I'm so happy. What
Can
the
I see
heck?
this is scarf?
So I got this one.
Look, let me show you. Up
I got this one.
And you can hang it to your bag. And if you don't want to hang it, you can remove it.
The rare one is Dobby.
Dobby!
The rare one is Dobby.
I want Dobby so bad, bro. But these ones are from Japan.
I'm gonna take this to school.
You should hang it on your
No,
backpack.
they're not from Japan.
Oh,
She made a mistake. She got some blind boxes from Japan. Her mom bought her some. But this one she got from Miniso, I think. Yeah. But I think you said you got the last one, yeah. Or else she would have got me too, but she got the last one. So that's why they're not in much Miniso. If you find it, you're lucky.
And look, you can... Okay, guys, so there's like an attachment where you can remove it if you don't want it, like that.
Yeah?
And then you just have it as a toy, like that.
1 minute. Okay, guys, so
So we're putting it back on. Okay, so how would you rate this out of 10?
10. Definitely.
Yo, why the heck is it not?
Okay, this is the card. I love it. I'm just going to keep it on the thing because I'll be taking this to a
I
lot
need
of
a
places.
pen.
Wait, Gabe, let me try this.
No, like actually. Okay, so guys, bye.